Welcome traders to this educational video of Nifty Analysis, episode number 48. In my previous video I had shared that if the Nifty rally continues, then the probable levels to be tested would be at least 15,500. I had shared 4 levels and all of my levels were tested. Now currently we can see on the monthly time frame of Nifty Spot that currently price is trading at 15,576. And the question is will this rally continue, or will we hit a consolidation, or will it correct? What is the exact next state of trend for the Nifty Spot? In the monthly time frame, we can clearly see prices above both of these moving averages. MACD is into positive zones from a very long point of time. Yes, RSI has gone above 70, now it is trading above 70. So it is a clear sign that market is showing strength. No doubt that it is overbought, but now it is a sign of strength rather than just being overbought. So overall, the monthly time frame charts are looking extremely bullish. Only thing what we need to understand is we are currently hovering around that resistance level. Yes, in the previous month we had closed above this because this resistance level is somewhere around 15,500, but we are currently trading at 15,576, and it has happened many times in my career of last 14 years that price little bit closes above the resistance, and then again in the next month, or if it is a weekly chart, then the next week price comes down. So you have to be pretty much vigilant about that. But overall, I would say this charts looks very bullish. In the monthly time, in the weekly time frame also, we can see everything looks pretty good. Even the MACD has been coming down, and now it is closing the gap between both these lines. And once the MACD crosses the signal line, then possibly price will start rallying even faster. So overall, we can see a pretty much bullish setup even in the weekly time frame chart. RSI is also looking pretty decent. Let us go to the daily chart now. In the daily chart, we can see price has been rallying from many days now, and even in the Nifty short term view, like all of you know that I have started writing educational blogs regarding Nifty futures, and yesterday itself I had posted that we need some sort of consolidation in the short term, and if it comes, it would be a welcome, at least from my end. And we saw today a pretty much consolidation type of day, because if you see this candle, it is sort of a spinning top, not exactly a spinning top, but it looks like one, and the real body is pretty small over here. And some people would say that it is a hanging man. According to me, it is not a hanging man, because the reason is, if it was a hanging man, then the wick of this candle would at least be twice or thrice the size of the real body of this particular candle. So we have back-to-back two spinning top candles over here, which clearly shows that yes, Nifty Spot is in uptrend in all time frames, but little bit of consolidation is possible. Other than that, I don't see any negativity over here. One more thing which I would like to show is the important support level, because it can happen at times that during consolidations we can come down couple of 100 points or maybe 200-300 points very fast. If that happens, in case, then 15,350 to possibly 15,300 levels will provide a very good support for the market, because this is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. This is not a very strong retracement because this is not a very big swing, but we should not forget that if we look properly, then these two highs, both of them are almost at the same level. So 15,350 to 15,300 levels could provide very good support in case if there is a short-term dip over here. All right. And overall, I think if there is no weakness in the market apart from little bit small amount of dip or consolidation, then chances are slowly and steadily with time, market will keep inching upwards, and the probable levels to hit this time seems to be 15,720, 16,000 levels, and probably even 16,200 levels. So these are the levels from my side. be very, very careful about which sectors you're picking, because according to me, the metal pack now is extremely overstretched. Yes, there will be short-term bounce backs, but Nifty metal pack now needs to possibly consolidate or maybe even correct a little bit. Uh, it looks that banking, pharma, and probably IT, and maybe even auto, these 3-4 packs are looking very, very good. And within these sectors, you need to be very, very particular about which stock you are picking. All right. So that's all from my side this time. Stay safe, trade wisely.